so much fun. Over there's a lot of sheep, as you can see. They're close, so we can't really get to them right now, but let's see if we can. This place is so beautiful. I'm so surprised. I love nature, and this is like a really good thing for me. Really quiet and really calm over here. And as you can see, the goats are making sounds. I'm really, really happy. Oh my God! As you can see, there is a lot of sheep, and they're so cute right now. I wish I could go and touch them, but they might kick me. And there is a lot of sheep poop, so gotta watch down. As you can see, we're almost there. There's the sheep, and they're so cute. Like, I'm so surprised that there's sheep over here. And it's so quiet, calm, and windy over here. This is the countryside, and with the owner's permission, we are here. There's so many sheep over here, as you can see, and they're so cute. I wish I could touch one, but seriously, they might kick me. As you can see, there's a lot behind me, and they're like, I want to sit on them. I'm really excited. Come on. Really mine. This is a perfect place to eat, and it's so beautiful around here. I can see the whole entire view. There's cows out there and sheep and so much trees and scenery and so much bushes and grass. It's really beautiful. What do you want to see me make next or go to next? Tell me in the comments below, and please subscribe to our channel.